What's up? It's your girl Amanda. I got a rap for y'all. It's something I made up, or what you call wrote. And let's gonna do a little freestyle along the way. I hope you enjoy. Yeah. Chilling in this room, my heart went kaboom. Just heard some shit news today. Now I'm feeling the blues while I'm laying in this bed, full of shit in my head. Think I'm gonna lose control? No, fuck that. No more. What you did is what you did. Now these games will just begin. Look into these eyes, they are full of lies. Play with my heart, and I will tear you apart. You dealing with a freak under these sheets. Don't play with me, 'cause I'll do you twice. Yeah. I thought when I sat here in this room that you were something more than what I could explain. But no, you're just another man wanting a piece of this. Yeah, you got it, but I got you too. Yeah. You wanna play games, you say you play in the cards. Well, baby, they're all up in the air. Yeah. I'm flying high to the sky. Don't play with me. I'll fuck you, baby. I'm ready for you. Nah, you ain't ready for me. I'm a hardcore bitch, this I know is true. Fuck with me and I'll fuck with you. I don't play games, I'll do what I do. You can love it or hate it, appreciate it. I can get what I want when I want, and if I really do what I gotta do. I got the assets, big ass in the eyes. Baby, just look into me. Yeah. Tell me, people tell me that I'm beautiful. Hey, you know, beauty's in the eye of the beholder. Personality counts too. I'm an angel with devil horns. I'm lovable and sweet, and I can beat your meat. Yeah. Lord, forgive me. This is some hardcore shit right here. Tell me what you think. Yeah. Gotta love it. Don't fuck with me. Play with my heart, I'll tear you apart. Yeah.